Many questions and inquiries later, meet Isabel. Isabel is my tabletop electric machine. She's a brother CS6000i, and Isabel is 5 years old. Yes, I bought this machine 5 years ago on Amazon because a lot of people have been asking me. I bought her on Amazon, and then I bought it for like $194, but now it is almost $500. And with the current exchange rate, you know that this machine is not cheap. But then I can tell you that if you decide to invest in this machine, it is inarguably one of the best purchases that I have ever made in my sewing journey. Like, Isabel has served me very, very well, and there hasn't been any hitches. She gets jammed like normal machines once in a while, but then it has been very easy. Another thing is that she has an automatic needle threader. It's not really automatic, I'll say semi-automatic, because you have to do it yourself, but it threads the machine for you, and I don't have to bother about having to lick thread and straining my eyes. Then also she has this extendable leg that you can attach to make your tabletop bigger, or to make your workspace bigger. And she has been amazing. She came with a leg pedal, but as I stand to sew, I really didn't have any use for this. All I have to do is just press this button right here, and it starts and stops and does everything for me basically. And that's it. She also comes with 59 different stitches, which includes zigzag and buttonhole stitches, also decorative stitches. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Bye.